Assalamualaikum students, and I'm your teacher Miss Maria, and welcome back to your English class. So students, today we are going to do noun phrases, and this is the topic of your textbook and of your activity book. So first of all, we will read it from our textbook and open your page number 42 of your textbook. Mention date on your page. Today is 24/7/2020 and day is Friday. Topic is noun phrases. What is noun? You are very well familiar with this word noun. ठीक है, after individual words, the next building block in the English language is the phrase. A phrase is a group of related words that work together as a unit. What they are saying that after individual words, what are the individual words? For example, after is an individual word and individual is an individual word. ठीक है, what is the next building in the English language is the phrase. ठीक है, a phrase. Now what is phrase? A phrase is a group of related words that work together as a unit. Phrase क्या होती है? It is a group of the related words. ठीक है, they work together as a unit, as a family. ठीक है, a noun phrase does the work of a noun. क्या कर noun phrase क्या करती है? It work as a noun. Then it usually answers the question of what. The following are all examples of noun phrases. किस चीज़ का आंसर देती है ये noun phrase हमें? कि what, कि क्या है, क्या बात है, क्या चीज़ है, क्या काम है. ठीक है, here are the examples of noun phrases. Number one is a smile. A is the indefinite article and smile is a noun. Then the beautiful girl. The is the definite article, beautiful is the adjective, and girl is a noun. Why beautiful is the adjective? Because it is describing the noun. ठीक है, the small almond shaped eyes. The is a definite article, small almond shaped, they both are the adjectives because they are describing the eyes. ठीक है, and eyes is the noun. A indefinite article है. ठीक है, then most superlative adjective है. Then unpleasant is the adjective and then movie is the noun. Then the mouth-watering Malai salad. The is the definite article. Then mouth-watering is the adjective, Malai is the adjective, and then salad is the noun. As the examples show, noun phrases allow us to add more information to a sentence. They also provide us with more ways to express ourselves, making our writing more interesting. It helps now. What noun phrase help us to do? It help us to express ourselves in our writings. ठीक है, or it add more information in a sentence, or it gives the answer of the what. ठीक है, क्या तीन चीज़ें हैं? That it gives the answer of the word, then it add more information in a sentence, and then it helps us to express ourselves in our writings interestingly. ठीक है, now just take out your activity books and open your page number 21. Mention date on your page. Today is 24/7/2020 and day is Friday. So as you know that we are doing noun phrases, now we are going to do the activity of this. What is noun phrase? And a phrase is a group of related words that work together as a single unit. A noun phrase does the work of a noun and answers the questions of what. And I have explained it to you. Now just move towards the exercise. Read the following letter, underline all the noun phrases in it. This is the address of the letter. Dear Justin, I'm sorry to tell you that Aunt Chu was recently in the hospital for an operation. Aunt Chu was recently in the hospital is a noun phrase. Underline it. Second phrase in this sentence is an operation. Don't worry, she is fine now and getting stronger every day. This happened a week ago. Underline a week ago because this is a noun phrase. When Aunt Chu came home and said that she wasn't feeling well. Aunt Chu came home is a noun phrase. Underline it. We thought that she had the flu and that she would be better after a day's rest. Underline the flu and then after a day's rest. But the Sunday night she was really weak. Underline Sunday night. Everyone was startled when she fell sick. We took her to the hospital straight away. Just underline to the hospital straight away. The doctor said that she had appendix. You know, when the appendix, a little organ in the body, is poisoned, and that she had to have an operation immediately. Underline appendix, a little organ in the body is poisoned. Leaf is poisoned, but you have to underline it till body. Okay? And then you have to underline an operation immediately. Aunt Chu had an emergency operation at 2 o'clock in the morning. We all waited outside the operating theatre for the doctor to come out and tell us how the operation had gone. Underline operation at 2 o'clock, then in the morning. Then the operating theatre, and then the doctor. And then operation had gone. At 3 o'clock, underline 3 o'clock, he came out and said that he had caught in just in time. In time, underline in time. Needless to say, we were all relieved. After school the next day, I went to the hospital to visit her. I brought her some flowers. Mom brought her the herbal soup she had made. Aunt Chu was a little pale but looked much better. Underline after school the next day, then the hospital, then some flowers, then the herbal soup, then a little pale. I will let you know how she is doing. She has been home for a day and is getting stronger every day. She is even telling her usual jokes again. Take care and best regards, Sebastian. Okay? So underline for a day and her usual jokes. So this was the activity of the noun phrases, and today we have completed our unit number 2. Now we are going to start our unit number 3 of your textbook. Now the lesson which we are going to start, or the unit which we are going to start, is unit number 3, and its name is folk tales and legends. In this lesson we will see that what are the folk tales. Okay, open your page number 58. Here is a preview. Okay, look at this picture and then think what this picture is telling us. Okay, then once upon a time, when you write a story, in those stories you sometimes wrote once upon a time there was a villager, there was a farmer in a village. ठीक है, इस तरह से कुछ भी. Once upon a time, what do you think of when you read these words? Folk tales and legends often begin with these words. You have probably heard them many times before. ठीक है, whenever you read this, ठीक है, this small phrase, it is the phrase which is telling us that this is the folk tale or the legend, because folk tales and legends always start with these words, and you have probably heard them many times before. ठीक है. Folk tales and legends are both narratives. A narrative is a text that tells a story with a beginning, a middle, and an end. What is narrative? Narrative is a story. ठीक है, क्या किस टाइप की स्टोरी है? Which have a beginning, then a middle, and then an end. ठीक है, for narrative have these 3 things in a story. So folk tales and legends are the narratives, and in this picture it is clearly described that this is an old uncle or a grandfather, okay, who is telling the stories to the children, or he is telling these folk tales and the legends to these kids. Move to the next page. Narratives have these features. An introduction that presents the characters and setting. ठीक है, obviously, ठीक है, we have an introduction everywhere in stories, and those introductions tell us that what are the characters in the story, And what is the setting of the story? Setting means where that story is written, ठीक है. Like for example, that story is in of the villager, ठीक है, and he is living in a village, so that village is the setting, ठीक है. A clear sequence of events. For example, first of all, we are saying that he have 4 children. He sent them to the forest to bring some birds, ठीक है. And then he make a bundle, or then he ask them to break the bundle into the sticks. So मैं पहले ये नहीं कहूँगी कि he asked them to bring the sticks, ठीक है. मैं पहले ये कहूँगी कि there was a वुड कटर इन अ विलेज, ठीक है, और अ फार्मर इन अ विलेज. मैं उसको एक एक सीक्वेंस में लेकर आऊँगी, ठीक है. मैं पहले एंड वाली बात नहीं करूँगी. सो हर चीज़ की एक क्लियर सीक्वेंस होनी चाहिए इवेंट्स की उसमें. देन अ क्लाइमैक्स और हाई पॉइंट इन द नैरेटिव, ठीक है, कि उस स्टोरी में क्या बात थी, क्या उसका प्रॉब्लम, उस स्टोरी में किस प्रॉब्लम पर फोकस किया गया है, दैट इज़ अ क्लाइमैक्स और अ हाई पॉइंट इन द नैरेटिव. देन अ रेजोल्यूशन और एंडिंग टू द नैरेटिव, दैट्स मीन व्हाट इज़ द रेजोल्यूशन फॉर दिस क्लाइमैक्स. देन फ्रीक्वेंट यूज ऑफ द पास्ट टेंस. इन स्टोरी वी ऑलवेज यूज पास्ट टेंस, ठीक है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज द प्रेजेंट और द फ्यूचर टेंस in the narrative or folk tale. So a folk tale is a narrative with a simple moral or lesson. In fact, the word folk tale comes from folk and tale, which means people's stories. What is the meaning of folk tale? It comes from the folk and tale, that's mean people's stories, यानी लोगों की कहानियाँ. Folk tales tell stories about how people should behave and treat one another. What these stories tell us that how they behaved with each other and how they treat everyone. They provide us with models on how to lead a good life. What these stories give us, these stories give us the models that how we can spend our life, ठीक है. So every folk tale have a moral or simple moral or a lesson. A legend is a narrative usually based on fact, but which has been made more exciting and memorable through numerous retellings. What is narrative? Narrative is a narrative usually based on facts. ये जो होती हैं ये तो स्टोरीज होती हैं, ठीक है. बट दीज लेजेंड्स आर बेस्ड ऑन द फैक्ट्स बट विच हैज़ बीन मेड मोर एक्साइटिंग एंड मेमोरेबल थ्रू न्यूमरस रीटेलिंग्स. किस तरह से ये बहुत एक्साइटिंग और मेमोरेबल बनाई जाती हैं, जो जब लोगों को बार बार सुनाई जाती हैं तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग और मेमोरेबल बन जाती हैं. लेजेंड्स आर ऑफन अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल and they tell us about the actions of great leaders, warriors and poets. And legends are based on the great leaders, warriors, जंगजू जो थे, ठीक है, fighters आपके, and then the poets. Folk tales and legends are fun to read because they often have interesting characters and exciting stories. Why they are interesting? Because why they are fun? Because they have interesting characters and the exciting stories. Every culture has its own unique folk tales and legends. For example, the story how Sang Nila Utama discovered Singapore is a legend of the founding of the old Singapore, ठीक है. So every culture has its own legends in the folk tales, ठीक है. So almost in every culture we found these folk tales and the legends. I hope it is clear to you. And in tomorrow's lecture, in the next lecture, we will do this page number 61, that is about the comma, and then we will start our similes topic, and then we will do anything else, ठीक है. So this is it for today's class. I will meet you in the next class with new topic. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes, and take care of yourself and of your parents as well. Allah Hafiz, students.